Hey everybody, Sunny here. Today we're going to review this keyless remote replacement. I have a Honda Accord 2007. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Voila! Oh, it comes with a key too. So, looks like this. This is the original one. So, let's see. It comes with the key ring. Wow. That's pretty much it, huh? Let's open it up and see what's inside, because we don't really need to use anything but the key case. The screw. I use the Phillips. And how do you open this? Wow, here it goes. Oh, it does come with a computer inside, or whatever you call the chip. Neat. All right. So yeah, these are laser cut keys, and so you'll pretty much need to bring this to a key dealer or person who cuts keys, and this needs to be programmed to match your car. The chip is similar, but you'll notice that the use of this has been pressed so much that the button decals are gone. They look similar in size. You'll notice that there's this piece here, which is on the OEM here. This is on the chip itself. On the back, it's similar. Pretty much the same thing. So yeah, pretty much you have to program this. So yeah, let me look into that. So let's go program this. So I'm gonna put this back together and then go to the car. So this is the original key, and this is the program key, or the new chip. And so you hear it lock, you hear it lock again, unlock, unlock. So it's working. It took me a while to understand how to program it, but there's another YouTube channel that made it really straightforward. I'll link that in the description. So I got this programmed and it's working. So pretty much the next thing you need to do is make sure that this key is cut, laser cut, so it matches, and then it should be working. I can't test that right now because it's not cut. Let's put it back together. Simple. You should match this up. Put this on. And I lost the screw wherever it is, but it clips on. And this is it side by side. It should be just about the same. So yeah, I think what they did was copy the original OEM version of it. And can't really say much, but ultimately it should work for what you need to do to replace your Honda key.